My name is Ben Solomon, and this is week 2 of my lifestyle project video journal. So, for this week, just like last week, the three categories I decided to do were heat, electricity, and water. And my project days for last week were on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So, as far as heat goes, what I did to cut down was I kept my heater off from last time. I actually didn't do this only on the project days too. I just left it turned off from last time since it's pretty easy in the dorm rooms to keep it off and still stay warm. So I was able to just keep that off, and I'm currently doing that right now. So have it made. And for the second one, I did electricity. So some of the things I did to cut down on my electricity usage was I turned off the lights whenever I left the room. I opened my blinds and turned the light off since I have a big window, so I could just open the blinds and get plenty of sunlight. I unplugged my power strip anytime I wasn't using it, and I put my laptop in sleep mode when I wasn't using either instead of leaving it on. I turned off my TV whenever I wasn't using it. I used a normal razor instead of my usual electric razor, which I've also made into a habit. And I only do full loads for the washer and dryer, which I normally do, but I was very conscientious of that this week specifically. And thirdly, what I decided to do was cut down on my water usage. So for that, what I did was I showered for much shorter durations. I cut my showers a little more than in half because I usually take pretty long showers. So I just tried to expedite that process and cut my time down in almost half. I showered at cooler temperatures, and I turned off the water when I was brushing my teeth and shaving. I normally do this, but sometimes I don't, so I just made sure to keep an eye on it. And another way I saved water, which was the same for electricity, was I only washed on full loads in the washer, like just packed to the brim. So for my impressions on this, it's similar to the last week. It's relatively easy. These are pretty easy things to do that don't really affect my lifestyle in any major way. It's just like minor little changes that I'm going to have to get adjusted to. But it was eye-opening to the point where it made me realize how much excess is in my life and how much of things I use but I don't need, and how much I can really get by with maintaining my standard of living while I'm still cutting down. And these are all pretty sustainable changes. They're pretty easy to do, pretty small, and I think it's some habits that I can keep and hang on to. And it will take some slight adjustment to get used to it, just because it's little things. But overall, I think it'll be pretty easy to fully adjust to this and actually incorporate this into my lifestyle. Thank you.